Spiel for mystery shopper. Mystery shopper goes in as a customer the first time and judges the retailer on the following parameters: display of the TVS tires in his shop, display of the TVS merchandise, that is posters and danglers, whether he pushes the sales of TVS tires compared to the other brands of tires or not, whether he informs the customers about the customer contest or not. He then goes out and marks the retailer based on his performance and approach on the score sheet. Mystery shopper. I want to replace my bike tire. Can you please help me with the quality tire brand? If the retailer shows other brands, can I see other tire brands like TVS? When he displays the tires, the mystery shopper checks the displays, props, etc. Also, he checks if the retailer informs him of the customer contest or not. After that, he scores the retailer. He comes back into the store and reveals himself. Hi, I am Sunil from TVS Tires. As a person informed you earlier, I am judging you on the parameters mentioned to you earlier, and right now I have marked you on your performance. He will share the scores with the retailers and ask him for his signatures and seal on the score sheet. And also he will take a picture of the display in the outlets. In case the retailer scores well, the mystery shopper gives him a coupon and then entitles him for the assured cash wallet. Congratulations, you have scored well and therefore stand a chance to win a great prize. You just need to give a missed call on this number from your registered mobile number, which you have already shared with our supervisor earlier. Post your missed call, you will get a call and confirmation SMS of your gift prize. If he doesn't score well, you just missed an opportunity to win a prize by a few points, but you have another chance of winning, as there will be another visit by a person from TVS Tires in a few days of time, and he will evaluate you on the same parameters. If you do well that time, then you can win. Thank you, and we are looking forward to a healthy relationship with you.